Hi there, I hope you are all well. My name is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Today we're gonna be talking about uh, how to hide the Excel interface and how to show it again. Here there are two buttons, and if we press the hide button, you see that the interface is hidden. If we now press show, everything is again back to normal. Here you can see the sub hide all that you can use if you want to do the same, and here you can see the sub show all if you want to use it, and place it under a button if you want to show the Excel interface again. I hope you find this useful. Thank you very much.